What advice would you give to someone new in the door hardware industry to ensure they truly understand the products and environments they are working in?
We promote very heavily that within our business, if somebody has the opportunity to have a hands-on situation going to a job site, learning how to touch something, repair something, adjust something, there's no substitute for being hands-on in this business. COVID kind of put us all in front of the screens of learning in, one or two dimensions, and there's just no substitution for hands-on and real world. Piece of advice would be, get in the field, go see what it is you're selling. I try to tell the people that know me and have taught with me and been through the classes that I'm involved with, I always say, live the space. Don't be a broker. You're not looking at construction documents and just pricing and supplying a recipe of door hardware. Understand these buildings that we are working in and what actually happens within those spaces.